In today's video, you'll learn how to connect QuickBooks to Wix so you can manage your business finances directly from your website dashboard. Linking QuickBooks with Wix helps you keep your sales and financial records organized in one place. Once connected, you can track transactions, manage invoices, and monitor your business activity more easily without switching between different platforms. To get started, open your web browser and sign into your Wix account. After logging in, you'll arrive at your Wix dashboard, where you manage your website and settings. From the dashboard, look for the search bar near the top of the page. Click on it and type Finance to find financial tools available for your site. In the results, select the Finance Integrations option to continue. Inside the Finance Integration section, you'll see different services that can connect with your Wix website. Scroll through the list until you find QuickBooks, then click on it to open the integration details. Next, select the option that says Add to Site or Connect. This will start the setup process. It may take a few moments while Wix prepares the integration. After that, you'll be asked to sign into your QuickBooks account. Enter your login details and allow the required permissions so Wix can access your financial data. Carefully follow the instructions shown on the screen until the connection is complete. Once everything is set up, your Wix site will be linked to QuickBooks. Your business transactions and financial information can now be managed more efficiently, helping you keep accurate records and stay organized. And that's how you connect QuickBooks to Wix. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.